Guys, 2024 Toyota Land Cruiser. There's a differential light, the blinking differential light, the color red light. So I use a scanner. What is the problem? 2024. This is an Hotel Maxis. Yes. The differential light is blinking. So I use the scanner. What is the problem? Control unit. So you can go to the four-wheel drive. This is the four-wheel drive. Okay. Double codes. So the four-wheel drive rail differential unit actuator A. Control circuit open. So it means the differential actuator, there's a problem wiring. I think it's a cut wiring. See that? So let's fix this skippers. So it needs fix. Off the car. So let's go to the differential. So this is the car. Let's use the lifter to up. So this is the differential. There's an actuator here. This is the actuator. Let's put the actuator wire. So what I found here, there's a cut. There's a wire. And you see this is the cutting wire. So let's fix this. Fix that wire. And this is the differential. And this at the back of this bracket. This is an actuator differential. So I think that's a problem. Just a cutting wire. This is. See that? So let's fix that. This is a Land Cruiser 2024. So guys, I remove the wire. So you see the wire is cut. So I need to change this wire and put a soldering wire, a new one. So now let's fix it. So guys, I put a new wire and I put a soldering iron now lead. A new wire. I put soldering. So let's it back and put a tape, electrical tape. So guys, I finished and I put the electrical tape back. So now let's start the car. If the light is go, there's a light. It's a differential. So let's start the car. I start the car now. Inside of the 2024 twin turbo Land Cruiser. Fingerprint. Okay, good. there's no light of the differential. So that's it guys, thank you, thanks for watching.